Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off India's first Vande Bharat Sleeper Train between Howrah and Guwahati, marking a major milestone in the country's railway modernization drive. The high-speed sleeper train was inaugurated from Malda Town railway station in North Bengal. Designed for long-distance overnight travel, the Vande Bharat sleeper version offers modern amenities, enhanced safety features and improved passenger comfort. During the launch event, Prime Minister Modi also boarded the train and interacted with children and school students, exchanging greetings and taking photographs. The interaction added a personal touch to the historic inauguration. Railway officials stated that the Howrah-Guwahati Vande Bharat sleeper train will significantly reduce travel time while providing world-class facilities to passengers traveling between eastern India and the northeast. The launch comes ahead of the 2026 Assembly elections in West Bengal and highlights the centre's focus on infrastructure development and connectivity in the region.